Hazrat Aisha, the Prophet's wife, states that Allah's Apostle ﷺ, while he was quite healthy, said, "No Prophet's soul is captured until he witnesses his abode in paradise, and he is then given option." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha then said, when he ﷺ got terminal illness, his head was nestled on my thigh. He ﷺ remained fainted for a while. He ﷺ then came round and raised his gaze to the ceiling and then said, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the highest companion." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says that she said to herself, "Now he ﷺ will not opt us." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha further says, "I then understand the meaning of the hadith which he ﷺ used to narrate to us while he ﷺ was healthy. No prophet is caused to pass away until he witnesses his dwelling in paradise." And he ﷺ then granted the option. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, the last statement which Allah's Apostle ﷺ made was, "Allahumma Rafiq al-A'la." O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the highest companion. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6247.